Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Novel Modified Control Scheme in Grid Tired Photovoltaic System for Power Quality Enhancement. Our project abstract the energy source is the RE sounds are available among the solar energy is mostly used because it variability is absolutely license has a lot of advantages such as no air pollution, no fuel cost, and the noiseless and the low maintenance. This is the important advantages of solar PV panel. The integrated of the solar power to grid has a advanced effect on the power quality in grid. Inflow PV based framework and then inverter is a key segment which is responsible for control of power stream between the DC source and the load or lattice. This paper distribution the difficulties and usually in favor of area power quality due to the integration of solar power and then grid on the analyzed. This is a SAPF. SAPF means shunt active power inverter. It using the PI controller is designed to enhance the power quality in the grid integrated solar system. The main objective is the implementation of power quality improvement in grid integrated solar PV system and the effective of low voltage load. This is the overall of flow diagram. This is the recording process. First of all is the solar panels. The input is 2. This one is the radiation, another one is temperature. After that, the PV panel to the DC to DC converter. DC to DC converter is the DC to DC voltage converter. After that, using the SAPF controller. The SAPF controller is one of the proposed method. So this used on the DC to AC controller. DC to AC controller is the DC voltage convert to the AC voltage. So this is the controller based on the 3-leg inverter. After that, using that the controller based on fuzzy logic controller. The fuzzy logic controller is a neuro adaptive fuzzy zone of the app. So this used the PV panel open circuit short circuit value will be generated and then maximum minimum value will be calculated. After the this part will be generated the one file fuzzy file. This throw to the MPPT based after throw to the grid supply. Grid is a main grid. The main grid is the 3-phase. The DC to AC converter. After the grid. This is the threshold will be calculated. After the threshold will be efficiency and then output of PI controller and then SAPF shunt active power factor will be calculated. This is the overall recording process. It is based on the 3 code. One is the with the PID and without PID. After that, the grid supply. So this is the recording of the PV panel. Is the 2 input is a ramp up and down user. So the scale we the change the values, radiation values. So this based on the radiation value will be also the change. The using for the SAPF controller. This based on SAPF controller. SAPF controller is the this is the inductance. After that the MOSFET switches, the inductance values is calculate the current and the voltage. The setting time is 0.02. It's on the code. The power and voltage current and then voltage output of voltage output of current and then power. So it calculates the PID based on the PID the short tooth repeating of short tooth and then pulse generator. This is a constant value of adder. After that without this is without PID. This is a without PID controller is running that this is also the output of voltage, output of current and output of power. This is the output of power. This is the output of voltage and current. After that, the grid supply. This is a PI control. This is a PID based on that SAPF control is a rectifier used after the inverter. This is a DC to AC converter using to the main grid. This is the main grid. So then the code. This is a converter of the three phase of voltage. This is the three phase of voltage. And the inverter is 6 switches are used. This based on the 3-leg inverters, a pulse width generation. This is the T off, this is the T on, the S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6.